Ka hospital Supercare Shillong harungkat ki doktor specialist mentakas ngi ka arpun retorik benai leber arjar arpesan kalau pelong ye free medical check-up camp po Mairang penting umyong East and West Khasi Hills District. Kajing pelong ye gini ke program kalong gum Bynta ban no senyang shikinong shong shnong jong kathan East and West kamtam e ki basa a kithan nyong kendong ban ajing sumar ka baklem jing siu. Dr. Ruel Pynlong room surgical consultant ka hospital Supercare uloong bekajing tmu gani ka program kalong ban ajing sumari kinong pang ki basa akithan bajingai kamtam ki badai ni kilong ying ka Duna ka yok ka kot. Hakani ka cam la airu ikdawai klem jing sil. Ula ka dawru bagani ka program kalong Bynta ka jing kwa ban yarap ban ajing hikai shipang ka kot ka kya ban penyar ya ka rukom sumar ha ka jela. Hakani kesngi nalor u Dr. R. Nongrum, ladon nangru u Dr. M. Raling, Fellow Surgical Oncology, Dr. Anamika Andrea Mall, Consultant Neonatologist, Dr. W. Sungo, MD Respiratory Medicine, but kiwek Doctor Specialist. Hakani ka cam la sakhi ka jingwan tuit di kispangut ki paipa ki belasya sumar ha ki doktor.
Mangi nak Supercare ilakwa habon play kanika extension jeng Supercare sini sya Mairang kan ba ngi tep bagi pun haki patients on Mairang magi want Supercare and kicincara yiki pun sya Supercare because ka traffic maka jengai untuk tengi kwa ban suk yiki so ngi kwa ban rinoi nang ni kan ban jan yiki ban wan sini sya Mairang kan and kakamsuk yiki pun ki patients balawan ki angani lakman bagi lapation ni ki doktor suruh wan sini dan kampan puasa sya Supercare because kalau aja ke so kita ri kwa ban siu irap iki kan ki patients tangi sini mentate jenjar ban ang mah ni hab sang sya suki because pun sinak hospital ro mereka kam bahir mah kam mereka bahir and kashim pun sinam hak ban plan so ni kwa ban sang sya ka law kum tahi sang sya ka klinik ka nursing home tinila dan ski ni sampai kan hadin lang kum no kan taka do play ka lat dan ni sale kita pan mentaban ang te kham jinchar ngin stang shah ni Mairang dan hadin ngin sampai hi dan ila snahi ki plans pan shwe ki districts dan takala tingin pa ito ni focus ki patients wa kham tam kham sa kham changai em ni tang Mairang ba ki tu ba sa sha nong steng tu shwe ka ba ki than ba la changai ha ki focus ki to ki ba batuk bra because fitem am ban poi sha lu na lu nang ne na lu nang steng sha Supercare kiap sio sia jar san spa sia jar mai spa na ni poi han ni te kham suk ki batuk le te dan kam ne ki ban sio bai kan ye ai so kuntaken so kini medical cam rungi ai free pun kita wai work investigations kita because ikwa penyirat ki bedok kan nila ba ikwa ban outreach ki kan respond ke press pack respond ki pun balawan tang lai sa benta ke nongol si spangot ki patients ki lawan te so respond ke press pack ki pun ba comment mentas ni ting split tang mentas ni dan ni sapit hadin lang kumno dengila dengan ton pore tingin sale apiang kan camp kan dinum mentaka because medical camp they usually I free by but the one hospital thing ya kadai ka hospital rate hi able but once dengila play han ni dan ka retro ka kam Duna kan yakiro ke message ki dai ba ni kwa ban irap iki ni kwa ban educate iki sipang ka healthcare ni kwa ban expand healthcare jang ka Shillong bra and we want to improve the quality of the healthcare of the state overall okay.
Actually, one of our friend, he's also in this camp. He's a doctor. He's from Mairang, so he has been mentioning. And last time I came twice with him to Mairang also, just to look around. And we have lots of. I'm a cancer doctor, and I have lots of cancer patients from Mairang, Nongstoin, and all. Sometimes they find it difficult to come for checkup to Shillong. And since cancer patients have to come every few weeks or few months to come for checkup, they have been requesting us. Actually, it's from the patient's request. They have been requesting us, can you come to Mairang? Can you do anything there? It'll be easy for us. So this we have been talking for a long time, actually about 6 months, and thankfully our administration, the Supercare hospitals, and all, they have supported us. That's why we can come here today in this way. For me, coming to Meghalaya, it's been just 2 years. But when I was in other place in Guwahati or in other place, we always go for to play villages, places, schools, colleges, for camps, health awareness, and all. So this is not the first time. Actually. Yeah, we are collecting a minimal fees, which is much lesser to what we normally charge in the hospital, because the same doctors, the same lab, the blood tests and all will be run, so minimum charge is taken. Right now we have given priority to Mairang because patients from Mairang, Nongstoin, they have been requesting us. So we have no plans for other districts right now.